How to remove age restriction on YouTube. So there's two things you need to do. So go to YouTube and go to the U button at the bottom right hand corner here, and then go to the gear icon at the top right hand corner. You want to go to General, and from here you just want to make sure that your restricted mode is toggled off. So once that is off, there's one thing you have to do. So we can back out of here and X out of your settings. And what you're going to want to do is actually go to your Google account. So stay on this page and go to Google account and then go to personal info. And what you want to do really is just change your birthday. So you can change this birthday as many times as you really want to. So I'm just going to change mine here. And I don't know, let's pick something like this. And then that way you are in the correct age gap. We'll just hit confirm. And that's it. Your birthday's been updated, and now you do not have any kind of age restriction on YouTube. And that's